So if I were to go around into the pen tool option right here, that is in the inking mode, and then draw out something like this. So let's just go around and draw something. You can see that I'm drawing by freehand, but if you want to be precise, then you can use the ruler tool over here. If you were to click on this, then you can see that there's a ruler. I can click and drag it and place it wherever I want. So let's say I want to create something like a triangle. So in order to change the angle of the ruler, I can use the scroll mouse wheel and then go around and then drag it out. And you can see that I can change the angle of the ruler. So I'm just going to go around onto 0 right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around. And then if I were to draw out, you can see that I can draw a straight line over here. So now I'm going to change around the angle. So let's say I want around 60 degrees of the the angle right here. I can simply click and drag around, then this is what you have. Similarly, I can go around over here and then change around the degree over here according to how I like it. So let's just go around over here onto 60 degrees from the side. And now what I can simply do is draw around, close that out over here. And there you go, you can see that I have a triangle now. Similarly, I can go around and then change this around. So let's just go around over here onto 0 degrees right here. So let's say I want to make a rectangle, then I can simply go up over here, just like this, and then click and drag this out over here as well. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and then change the angle over here. So if I were to go, and there you go, I have 90 degrees, click and drag this out, there you go. And then I'm going to go around onto the side as well, just like this, and then click and drag this out as well. And there you go, that is 90 degrees from the side. And that is how you can work around with the ruler tool inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.